Hong Kong has confirmed its first case of human bird flu, a sign the virus could be spreading beyond mainland China. Officials say an Indonesian woman is in critical condition in hospital after being infected with the avian influenza H7N9. She's reportedly a domestic worker who travels frequently to mainland China.
An official with the Food and Health Bureau said that researchers have found the virus in a 36-year-old Indonesian woman who works as a domestic helper. She's been hospitalized and in critical condition. Health officials believe the cause is a live chicken that she slaughtered and cooked while traveling in Shenzhen in mainland China, north of Hong Kong, more than 2 weeks ago. Hong Kong authorities have suspended imports of live poultry from mainland China. They say they will now disinfect local chicken farms. More than 140 people were reported to be infected with the H7N9 strain since February in mainland China and Taiwan.